We'll begin by creating a new design from the FSAE Steering Wheel 7 file to begin creating a new drawing. The design at this point has more development. The grip top and bottom are in the same component that is mirrored to create a second component. The steering wheel base plate is a single component with two bodies, the plate and the tachometer circuit. To create a detailed drawing, first we need to get to the drawing workspace. From your model dropdown, select the drawing from Design. Accept the default description and notice that we will be creating a new version of the file. This will require you to save the drawing, accept the default description, and we'll be creating a new version of the file. In the Create Drawing dialog, we will use Full Assembly. Keep Create New Drawing, Use from Scratch, and keep the ASME standard with inch units, but change the drawing sheet size to A size 8.5 by 11. Then click OK. This will bring us into the drawing workspace and create a new drawing sheet. A preview of the front view will be displayed on our cursor, waiting for us to click to place it. For now, we'll press Cancel to get rid of the preview and the drawing view dialog. At this time, we'll save the file, calling it FSAE Steering Wheel, and making sure that it's saved to the correct folder in the correct project. You can expand the path folder to select the correct project and folder if it's not currently displaying it.